Assalamualaikum my dear friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video marvelous and stylish, you will see unique 40 plus nail art ideas. Today I am sharing with you in this videos modern and stylish, unique girls nail art, nail cutting and modern nail polish designs. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon you will get notifications of all of my videos, and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. I have uploaded new all outstanding and stylish girls nail cutting designs. I have uploaded plain and printed nail art, negative space nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art, and you will see new all very beautiful and very stylish attractive girls nail cutting designs. So guys, I would suggest it just keep on watching these videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections, very outstanding and stylish 40 plus unique girls nail polish designs. Do you have new ideas of unique nail art ideas or viewers? Please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my videos. So I always try to bring beautiful nail cutting design. So lovely viewers, today you will see in these videos marvelous and stylish nail art ideas, attractive girls nail polish designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Top stunning and stylish, you will see unique 40 plus modern nail cutting designs. I have uploaded plain and printed nail art, negative space nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art, and you will see very attractive girls nail cutting designs. So take care friends. Allah.